Welcome to another episode of Math Made Simple. I'm Miss Munah and I'm a math specialist here at the Pi Lab. In this video, I'll be analysing some common examination questions. I've put the question in a handout and you may download a copy for free by clicking on the description box below. So let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about prime numbers, specifically how to determine if a certain number is a prime number. Now, take a look at the question over here. What is the number given to us? It is 113. And we need to determine if 113 is a prime number. So if you recall learning in schools earlier, a prime number actually has two factors, which is 1 and itself. So in other words, for a number to be a prime number, it needs to be divisible by exactly two factors, which are 1 and itself. Now some of you might be thinking, I know, I'm going to take 113 and divide it by all the numbers below 113, beginning from 1. So you take 113 divided by 1, 113 divided by 2, 113 divided by 3. And then some of you might be thinking, no, that would take up too much time. Why not we try 113 divided by all the prime numbers between 1 to 113 instead? Now, that sounds like a very good idea. I totally agree with you. So, let's list down all the prime numbers between 1 to 113, shall we? Now, what do we have? We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. What else? 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. And what are the other numbers? 47, 53, 59. Now you know there are so many numbers going on. And if we're going to do this all the way to 100 and something, you realize that there are a lot of numbers. There's still one more step, which is to take 113 and divide it by 2, divide by 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on and so forth. Now, how do we know that 113 is going to be a prime number? If 113 is going to be a prime number, it means that it shouldn't be divisible by any of the prime numbers listed here. But this method is still not the right method. I'm going to show you a shortcut, okay, a much faster way. So the shortcut, okay, before we get there, I need everyone to grab your calculators and find me the square root of 113. Okay, what is the square root of 113? And round it off to the nearest whole number. That's right. It is about 10.63, which will give us 11 when you round it off to the nearest whole number. Now, what do we do next? Next, I need you to list down all the prime numbers beginning from 2 all the way until 11, since 11 is also a prime number. So, what are the prime numbers? They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So, instead of the very long list that we had earlier, we are now down to only 5 numbers. So, we are going to check whether 113 is divisible by 2. And this gives us 56.5. Now, 56.5 is not a whole number, so this means that 2 is not a factor of 113. Now, what about 3? 113 divided by 3 gives us 37.66666, which again is not a whole number, so 3 is not a factor of 113. Now, what about 5? 113 divided by 5 gives me 22.6. Again, not a whole number, so 5 is not a factor of 113. What about 7? You get 16.14 something. Again, this tells us that 7 is not a factor of 113. And finally, we are down to 11. So 113 divided by 11 will give me 10.27 something. Again, this tells us that 11 is not a factor of 113. So finally, after you have exhausted all the 5 prime numbers, you can conclude that 113 is a prime number because 113 is not divisible by any prime number below 113. Is that clear?
Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up. If you would like to check out more videos by us, please click on the links on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!